A is for accordion. B is for bass guitar. C is for castanet. D is for drums. E is for electric guitar. F is for flute. G is for glockenspiel. H is for harp. I is for idol. J is for jingle bells. K is for kalimba. L is for lute. M is for maracas. N is for natural trumpet. O is for oboe. P is for piano. Q is for quena. R is for recorder. S is for saxophone. T is for trumpet. U is for ukulele. V is for violin. W is for whistle. X is for xylophone. Y is for yuchin. Z is for zither.